Avalanche causes mayhem in Himachal Pradesh. Over 40 workers have been trapped after a massive avalanche at the Border Roads Organisation camp near Mana village in Himachal. The incident happened at around 7:15 a.m. today and 16 workers have been rescued so far. Over 100 Indian Army personnel were immediately mobilized to the avalanche site for rescue operations. Additional medical resources from Joshimath are being mobilized to Mana to assist with the rescue and medical aid. 3 teams of NDRF, 2 teams of ITBP have been deployed for rescue work. Out of 16 rescued workers, 4 of them are believed to be in a critical condition.
जिसमें से 16 को सुरक्षित निकाल लिया गया है। बाकी के लिए सभी प्रयास चल रहे हैं। सभी प्रकार की तैयारियां यहां पर कर ली गई हैं। एम्बुलेंस से लेकर ITBP की मदद ली जा रही है, अन्य संस्थाओं की मदद ली जा रही है। आपदा प्रबंधन विभाग हमारा पूरी तरह से सक्रिय, जिला प्रशासन भी, और हम लोग स्वयं सभी लोग लगातार संपर्क में हैं और हमारा प्रयास है कि सभी को सुरक्षित जल्दी से जल्दी बाहर निकाला जाए।
अराउंड 57 लेबर्स काम करते हैं बर्फ़ हटाने का, वो कैंप थे वहाँ पे, और हमारी जो टीम्स हैं वो मोबिलाइज हो गई हैं। आर्मी, ITBP, SDRF और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की टीम। एक्टिव रेनफॉल है हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में और हायर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक्टिव स्नोफॉल है, तो इसलिए हम हेली सर्विसेज अभी यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और मूवमेंट में भी डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है। और वहाँ कोई सैटेलाइट फ़ोन और अन्य ऐसे कोई उपकरण उपलब्ध नहीं होने के कारण स्पष्ट कम्युनिकेशन वहाँ नहीं हो पा रहा है हम लोगों का उनसे। लेकिन अभी तक कोई ऑफिशियल सूचना हमारे पास किसी कैजुअलिटी की नहीं है, और हमारी यही प्रयास है कि हम सब टीम्स को लेके एक कोऑर्डिनेटेड एफर्ट करके सबको रेस्क्यू करें, और हायर अथॉरिटीज़ की तरफ से भी पूरा सपोर्ट हमें मिल रहा है। तो आशा है कि जल्दी ही हमारी एक टीम वहां पहुंच के उनको सकुशल रेस्क्यू कर लेगी।
जी, सुबह हमें 11 बजे के करीब हमको इनपुट मिला है कि एवलांच वहां पे आया है। जो हमारे रोड साइड में किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के बंदे रहते हैं वहां पे, जी, जो स्नोक्लेंस वाली टीम है, जी जी, तो उसमें 57 करीब बंदे थे। तो जो इनपुट हमको 11 बजे 11:30 बजे कम्युनिकेट हुआ था, उसमें करीब 15 बंदे रेस्क्यू किए गए। अच्छा। उसमें 3 बंदे इंजर्ड थे, तो उनको आर्मी हॉस्पिटल में जमा वहाँ पे किया, उसको ट्रीटमेंट के लिए ले गए हैं। जी। उसके बाद में BRO का, ITBP का, आर्मी का टीम लगा हुआ है रेस्क्यू में रेगुलर, बट उसके बाद में कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो पा रहा है। हमने यहाँ से एम्बुलेंस, आर्मी की एम्बुलेंस बंदे टीम, रेस्क्यू टीम यहाँ से भी भेज दिए हैं, बट हैवी स्नोफॉल के कारण से जो माना पास और बद्रीनाथ के बीच में जो स्नोफॉल हो रखा है, जगह जगह रोड ब्लॉकेज है, उसको क्लियर करते हुए टीम जा रही है। तो अपडेट नहीं हो पाया है, कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हुआ है अभी।
अच्छा, तो आप BRO की टीम वहाँ पर है?
जी, BRO की टीम ऑलरेडी वहीं पे है।
अच्छा, तो ये जो 57 है, ये क्या मजदूर थे, वहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे? सब
काम कर रहे थे, ऑपरेटर थे इसमें, जो EPC कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है माना पास वाला, उसके बंदे थे ये।
अच्छा सर,
उसी के मजदूर हैं ये। तो वो एवलांच साइट नहीं थी, बट हैवी स्नोफॉल के कारण से एवलांच आया है।
We're getting you up to speed with the very latest as far as the rescue work is concerned. It's difficult because of the weather and also because of the terrain, as you can clearly see in these pictures in Chamoli, where forces are in fact doing what they can to rescue the trapped workers, about 41 of them. These are pictures coming in from Chamoli in Uttarakhand on the left side of your screen. On the right side are pictures from the war room in the capital of Dehradun, where the work is getting carried out with the Chief Minister of the state also monitoring the situation very closely. 4 out of 16 rescued workers are in a critical condition is what we are learning. Over 40 workers continue to be trapped as agencies are in fact doing what they can to rescue them, and the effort is currently underway. The Home Minister has also spoken to the Chief Minister about this entire situation, about the progress of the rescue work which is being done as we speak. Pictures are from Chamoli in Uttarakhand, where the rescue work is being done. NDRF, SDRF, also the ITBP on the job. The effort to rescue over 40 workers, 40 construction workers employed with a private firm who continue to be trapped in that avalanche. It's a worrying situation as about 41 workers rather continue to be trapped. The SDRF team has now been dispatched from Joshimath. 1 is on standby. These workers were employed with a private company, a private construction company for road construction is what we know. The Chief Minister has said that the workers were trapped, out of which 16 of them have been rescued. 57 were trapped and 41 remain, is what we know. The State Disaster Response Force, the National Disaster Response Force, the District Administration, the Indo-Tibetan Border Police are present at the incident site, is what we know. I'm going to go straight across to Shivani for more details. The Home Minister, I believe, has spoken to the Chief Minister. Shivani, what more can you tell us about the kind of work that is being done to help and rescue these workers, about 41 of them? What about the difficulties that they're facing at this point in time in the rescue work, Shivani?
See, the multiple agencies, including the Indian Army, the BRO, the ITBP, NDRF, SDRF, and all the state authorities, they are working together to rescue these lives out there. And the challenge is of weather. The weather is quite extreme. It's continuously, the snowfall is continuously there. And the routes are totally cut off. There's no communication. So whatever is to be done on foot, because the very limited movement of vehicles is happening in that place. And equipment is also to be carried so that this snow can be removed in time. And this is a race against time, because it happens in such kind of operations that whoever is stuck beneath this snow needs to be out soon, because they are struggling for their breath. So this is a challenging operation indeed, and very important out here to mention is that due to the extreme weather conditions, the use of air assets cannot be made. So no helicopters can be deployed in this kind of weather situation. So everything is to be done on land. So all the forces are collaborating together to make the best use of whatever resources they have and they can take to this particular site, so that more and more people who are stuck beneath the snow can be taken out and more lives can be saved. But indeed, this is a challenging operation. Indian Army, along with Border Road Organization, the ITBP, and the SDRF, NDRF are on the job. And the Defense Minister has spoken to the Chief Minister. The top brass have they are already continuously monitoring the situation, and the rescue operation still goes on even as we speak.
Right, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Shivani Sharma getting us up to speak with those details as far as the avalanche in Chamoli is concerned and the kind of problems that the ITBP, the SDRF and the NDRF teams right now are facing in rescuing the trapped construction workers.